everyone, this is episode 2, the off-road. And then the episode you're going to watch is episode 3. And this is final, the episode is final. But you don't know if it's final or not. But I'm going to tell the one that holds the camera to stop it right now. And then he has a big hose over here. Someone to stay, but not me. There are some kind of blocks over here. And I'm going to use the truck. Drive into the holes. The truck. Right? And then when the trucks drive in over here, it's bad luck. Don't try to drive them to the friends. Hey, did you get it? Hey, little guy. Come on. How did they get out of there? A flip. Let's try over here. I think that's wrong. See something here. See something over here. Yes! Got it! Look at that. Yes, the camera that you're holding to. It's very fast. It's stuck on the railway station. I told you, this hole is bad luck. It's like a hell hole for a monster machine. Come on, let's push it. Oh my god. Let's use this helper over my hand. Okay, now I have the debris here. I'll clean this real fast. Okay, now